Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing the Sense ESS One Plus in my Redcat Gen 8. This will be the first time I've ever installed one of these, but it looks like it's a pretty simple thing to do. So let's get started on it. The company does make a newer version called the ESS Dual, but it's a little bit larger, and I was wanting something smaller in case I ever wanted to put a pickup truck body on this rig. Okay, so we have some instructions. We have the USB for uploading our sounds and programming our device. We have the Y cable. This will plug into the receiver, and this will go to the ESC and to our sound module. And this is our adapter to apply power to the box. Get a couple of sticky pads in there. And here is our sound module. So let's see how easy this is to install. So I've disconnected the motor leads already, and all we need to do now is, since the Redcat has these little plugs right here, we just unplug it. Black is going towards the inside, so black towards the inside. Plug our ESC back in. And we'll plug our box into the other side of that Y cable. And now that into the battery. Plug the ESC into the other side. There we go. So it's a pretty simple install. The only thing we need to do now is calibrate. So I'm gonna press. I pressed the plus button, and I got it in the neutral position. I'll press it again. Full throttle. Press it again. Reverse. Press it again. There we go, it's calibrated. So all I need to do now is dress my wiring and take this thing out for a run. So I guess maybe later on I'll do something on how to program this thing, because I know this has brakes on it, which I probably want to get rid of. But if you guys liked the video and you found it helpful, give me a thumbs up, put a comment down below, and remember, a bad day at the track's better than any day at work. Catch you guys next time.